Oracle Content Management offers desktop and mobile apps, so you have easy access to all your latest cloud content, whether it's on your computer, your phone, or other mobile devices. To get started, log into Oracle Content Management using your web browser, open your user menu, and choose Download Apps. To download the Desktop Sync client, click the link for your operating system. You can also go to an app store to download the mobile app. The Download Apps page shows your service details. These are important. You'll use them to set up your apps, so make a note of them. This information is also in the welcome email you received. To set up the Desktop Sync client, run the downloaded installer and follow the instructions. Launch the app and enter the Oracle Content Management Service URL, your username, and password. If you're uncertain about what service URL to enter, review the account details in your welcome email or talk to your service administrator. If you want, you can change where synced files are stored on your computer. Choose the cloud folders or subfolders you want to sync to your local computer. They can be folders that you own, or folders that other people have shared with you. Syncing will start immediately and will continue in the background. You can easily make configuration changes by opening the desktop app from the system tray. To set up the mobile app, install Oracle Content from your device's app store. The first time you open the app, enter the Oracle Content Management Service URL, your username, and password. You have immediate access to all your content in the cloud, including your files and conversations. With the desktop and mobile apps installed on your devices, you'll have all your cloud content at your fingertips, whenever you want and wherever you are.